Good morning, guys! It's raining here in Amarillo, Texas, where we stopped last night. It's already 9 o'clock and we are late!
All associates are still busy assisting other customers, but please continue to hold. We appreciate your patience.
We stopped for a while. My husband he needs to do something very important. And we want to make sure if the paperwork that he sent, if they receive it or not in the company's office. It is the annual review form, if he has violation or not. But for the past 2 years, he's doing good. He has good performance, and thanks God he has no violations. You don't like noodles again? Soup noodles for dinner? Last night, noodles.
I like that. It was okay with me, honey.
Oh, and then why you said salad? You want to make salad with rice?
Well, I didn't want to have soup tonight.
Oh.
That's not a bad thing.
Ito lang ulam namin ngayon, guys. Salad with rice and eggs. Walang pera pambili ng buffet.
Olive oil.
Olive oil. A lot of olive oil? Don't put a lot.
It's good. Your body needs oil.
And plus the lime. Mix together and eat it. Ayan. Here is our fried egg. Uy, oh my God. Yan lang, guys. So, tomato, onion, cucumber, salt, pepper, and olive oil. And instead of regular vinegar, we use a lime or lemon. Our one way of budgeting food. This is delicious, guys. You try it. Simple, very simple salad with fried egg and rice. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, honey. Bon appetit. Bye, guys. Good night, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.